Today is Friday, February 4, 2022. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Boston. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 42 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 19 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 95%. You can expect 19.03 millimeters of rain and 23.08 millimeters of snow today. Some clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 15 miles per hour. Dense fog advisory now in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. What visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog? Where? Rhode Island and much of central and eastern Massachusetts. When? Until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts: hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. In other Massachusetts news, U.S. lawmakers introduce right to repair bills to spur competition. Reuters. Washington, February 3. Reuters U.S. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but after historic strike, Massachusetts nurses face fight to remove union. Striking nurses at St. Vincent Hospital in Worcester, Massachusetts, ratified their new contract last month, winning ad. Dead patient and staff protections after 301 days on the picket line. That's it, Massachusetts. Have a good one. We're always working to improve our service. Please subscribe to show support. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).